Alright, this one is quite a really easy one. Essentially, make your text larger. 16 pixel size is what I would say the minimum. I also recommend 18 pixels for text on a mobile phone. Reason being that the high definition displays that we have nowadays actually decrease the visual size of text. So to compensate that, using 18 pixels makes that text a little bit larger. So that is essentially a really easy way to help visually impaired people. In terms of screen readers as well, having HTML text rather than text and images will help people who have the text read out to them on an email, and that will solve the problem for a lot of people.